Welcome to another vertical attitude video on your motorhome. This time we are going to clean the decals. As you can see, they've gone dull oxidised. Okay, so instead of replacing them, we are going to clean them up and give them a polish, hopefully. First I'm going to use this Nova's plastic cleaner, get any residue dirt off. Then Maguire's cleaner wax, and after that just a general polish to clean them up. So using a drill with a soft spongy end on. So that one's for the Maguire's, this one's for the polish. I should buff it up with that afterwards. I've got that one there, I've not tried that one yet. The thing is to keep it going nice and light on the surface, feather touch, very slow. So I'll start cleaning it up and see how we go. So all we're going to do to start with is spray a bit of this on the cloth and just wipe it over the decal. So this is the test area. I'll hopefully be able to see the difference. Just wipe that off. You can see it's made a slight difference already. So now I'm going to use the cleaner wax from Maguire's, available on Amazon, probably eBay as well. And I'll attach some of that, give it a go. A little bit, not too much. You just want to hold off the surface. Bit more on. So you want to keep your drill moving just off the surface, just hold it back, no pressure like that. You don't want to create hot spots. Decals are plastic, so we don't need any snags off the streets or burn knives. So what we're going to do is wipe that off and apply some polish. So I'll put the polish on the end and I'll go very slowly. No abrasives, just this is just normal polish. You can get ultra fine polish, which probably make a better job of it. These decals are not glossy, they are a matte surface, but hopefully this will get the oxidization off. And wipe that off, and then we'll buff it up and see. These pads you can get off eBay or Amazon, a pack, not very much money, a few quid. So let's wipe that off. It's got the excess off. All you do with these, you've got your pad, you've got your Velcro connection, your drill adapter, and let's see what it does here. There's a little bit of difference, but not too much. I think we need probably a bit more Maguires and go at it for a bit longer. Right, so this is the best we can see in the sun. You can see this is duller, and that's more shiny, it feels more smoothly. These aren't glossy decals, they're matte. You've got a nice even finish. I've just done this small section here, so I'll carry on and do these grey bits. These are meant to be grey. That's dark grey, this is a lighter grey. But we'll see if we can get the surface cleaned up. And right up to the window, and then across here and do those. Shouldn't take too long. Tried different products. I tried a bit of wax on here. Obviously it's nice smooth, but it's not going to shine because it is a matte decal. The sun doesn't help being on this side. When I get to the other side, it'll be in the shade, maybe you can see the difference maybe a bit better. So I'm going to carry on, do this, and then hopefully show you some sort of result at the end of it. Right, so I've done a log here up to this section. Now you can actually see the oxidisation on there, and that got it off there. So I think this will work with any decal. If yours are glossy, then you'll get nice glossy decals. So next section, do this up to the window and that little top bit there, and then do the other side. I'll show you when it's all done, and maybe you can see what the difference is again. Right, on the other side in the shade, I've done right along here, up to here. Now looking at this, hopefully you can see the difference between that and that, which I've still yet to do, up to there. This is the proper colour, it's a matte finish, nice grey. That surface is oxidised. So we'll finish off, and hopefully this will help you in your endeavours to clean your decals. Thank you for watching.